But the thing is, carrying all the stuff there, you've got to bring your laptop.
Oh wait,
and
you
all
can't
that
see.
sort
You
of
can't see when you're standing there.
I'm sorry. Very sorry. My lovely assistant. Don't touch! Okay. So here we are. Are you guys ready? Because it's going to start going.
Wait, we need a bowl.
Here he goes! Here he goes!
I can't find it.
Okay.
There is no bowl. There is no bowl.
There are no bowls. There's a terrible floor.
Get it back! Get it back!
No, I don't use that.
The basket. The basket.
No, get it back! Get back in! Get back in! Back in! Okay, it's coming!
No.
Oh, he's coming!
Catch it. We're gonna catch it.
You're going to catch it! This is going to be like...
Take turns
okay.
catching it.
You serious? It's going to pop? Oh, it's going to come on over like that. Why do we need a plastic bag?
That's
A
filthy.
plastic
That's
bag.
filthy.
Well...
It's been on the floor for like 2 years.
Ah!
No,
Oh
paper.
my
Paper.
god!
Make a basket out of
Here
paper.
we go! Here we go!
Make a...
Ah!
Have you got this on video?
Is this special? There. Oh! Wait, like this! Oh my
No,
god!
it's gonna... The bag will catch fire. The bag will catch
Get
fire.
the lid again, quick! Richard, where's the orange lid? Where's the lid gone?
It's gone. Stop pouring it out.
Oh my god! Diarrhea! Oh, fantastic! Here we go! Alright! That is £2.50!
That's how you make popcorn in the gatehouse.
Ta-da! Tell the boys to pour and have yourself some popcorn.